Hi, and welcome to This Calls for Confetti's YouTube channel. I'm Lisa. Thanks for joining me today. I'm honored to share with you a deeply personal project that is very close to my heart, Alice's Story. Alice's Story is a heartfelt collection of items, each one holding a precious moment from my journey with my remarkable mother. It is more than just products, it's an expression of deep gratitude and love I feel for having been blessed with a mother like Alice. The desire to share these significant memories will flow through every piece in this collection, essentially inviting everyone to experience the joy and luck that I felt in being Alice's child. Without further ado, I give you Honeysuckle. This 4x6 stamp set features a minimalistic honeysuckle image and vase along with 2 words and 7 buildable sentiments included. I was captivated by this image as I browsed countless images of honeysuckles. Without hesitation, I acquired the necessary license and eagerly began designing This Calls for Confetti's first stamp set dedicated to my beautiful mother. Once you have Alice's Story stamps or dies in hand, please take a moment to look at the back of the package where I share a memory from my childhood. It explains the significance of the images. Additionally, I encourage you to read our blog post, which details how we're honoring her legacy. A portion of every sale from this collection will be donated to a charitable cause that is very dear to my entire family. As seen here, we do have a 10-piece coordinating die set that can be purchased separately. We are also offering an exclusive Alice's Story honeysuckle mix. This is only available through the This Calls for Confetti online shop. These products are now available for purchase through This Calls for Confetti. I have links down below for you. Next week, I'll be back with full tutorials on creating with these products and our newest Elongated Ovals A2 cover plate die and Hello Elongated Frame die set designed to go along with the Honeysuckle stamp set. I'll also be featuring our newest Happy Sentiments stamp set along with the Happy Layering die set. I have links down below for you in the description box. I hope you'll hop over to our blog and check out the article about our latest products. Until next time, please take care.